Luke and Jasmin. Look at your face, Jasmin.
I'm nervous.
You're terrified.
Yeah, I'm terrified.
The week that was.
I think we need to get an army in here tomorrow.
So, how did you start off, guys?
We're going to start this week wasting some more money paying for demo.
Do you need any more pressure? It's all going to come down to styling this week. What's going to scream 1910s in your master bedroom and walk-in robe?
Black four-post bed and a bay window.
What else?
Wainscoting is a very traditional Federation feature. Yeah, that's how I got my nickname, Features. Hey, what's up, man? My name's Features.
I think that'll catch on. So you think you finally got a grip on the era of your house?
This is probably more in line with our taste and our styles.
Yeah, they are going to like it. They're going to love it. A win would be really good.
Let's see if you can get it.
I have to celebrate you, baby.
We were so happy with our room.
Yeah, our room looked beautiful.
Yeah, it did. We look really beautiful. We're really hitting this brief now. Finding cohesiveness between our style and this 1910 Federation. This room is exactly what that house needs.
Oh my goodness, goodness, goodness.
Oh my goodness, goodness, goodness.
Okay.
Was what Shaynna said walking in today. And she couldn't wait to sit down in the bay
window.
I love nothing better than a window seat in a bedroom.
Isn't this beautiful?
This is stunning.
The ceiling strapping, the wall panelling, the white on white, it was all gelling beautifully for your judges today.
Okay. Phew. Yeah, especially the carpentry and, you know,
Yeah, and
the
they loved it.
details.
Exactly, and they
the
loved
features.
it.
Yeah.
So wrapped.
I feel that since last week's bathroom, Luke and Jasmin are now on an incredible trajectory. They've found their style,
Yeah.
and they are going to run with it.
It feels like a home.
Good.
I mean, it's just such a beautiful mix of vintage and contemporary. This is so beautiful. I feel like I've just landed at Raffles Hotel in Singapore at the turn of the last century.
I'll take it.
This is like the room where we've put it all together. You absolutely smashed it, styling in there.
Thank you.
And I'm so glad that they loved it.
They have Federation, what the building already gave them. Then they've also got that sort of coastal, and they've also got touches of contemporary.
Yes.
If you can mesh these three elements together, you're going to end up with something that feels authentic to this house, to this suburb, and also appealing to this market. I mean, man, if they could do it better, show me how.
But Neil noted you also presented the room with a queen-size bed.
Guys, don't we have a queen size again?
I think we do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A compromise is still a compromise, and it's something we just have to take into consideration across all houses for judging on this week.
Okay, into the wardrobe.
Let's go and have a look.
It's tiled beautifully. Just putting that bit out there.
Darren loved the colour scheme in here, calling it classy and classic.
The oak, the black, the white, it's perfectly in line with the bedroom. However, I just don't feel like there's enough hanging space for a master bedroom.
We've had discussions all day about form follows function. And this robe has the least hanging space of the day so far.
People that are buying at this price point want a big wardrobe. And if you have a small space, that's not a problem, but use the space properly.
It's doubly frustrating in here, Darren, because it is so beautifully presented.
Yes.
And, you know, the bedroom is so special. I think all of us just wanted this walk-in wardrobe to be as special.
If you hadn't missed the mark on the functionality in the wardrobe, you may just have delivered the perfect room.
Oh, what a pity about the wardrobe.
That's it.
Yep.
Thanks, Scotty.
Thank you.
There were so many positives out of that, except for
wasn't
the
it?
king bed.
Issues with the wardrobes?
I think that room there, we've hit our groove now. We know what we're doing. We know where we're going with this house.